XRP Iraq, and the return to the gold standard. Behind the scenes of the global economy, a quiet but strategic movement is about to transform the financial structure as we know it. According to analysts close to the negotiations, BESANT acts as a transitional piece, a temporary replacement to lead the transition from a shadow economy, dominated by internal networks linked to the central banking system, to an economic model backed by real assets, focused on the people. This phase marks the final stage of a reset process that has been in the works for years. Meanwhile, Judy Shelton remains strategically distant, awaiting the moment to assume the chair of the Federal Reserve. The stated objective: to re-establish the gold standard and with it, symbolically end, in the eyes of the public, the era of the current configuration of the American Central Bank. This maneuver would not simply be a change in leadership, but a structural transformation that would alter the way the institution is perceived and how monetary policy is conducted. The coming days require increased attention to two key points: the digital asset XRP and Iraq's economic landscape. XRP, now that its legal case has been concluded, is poised to break free from regulatory barriers. Experts project significant progress, with a possibility of reaching values above $5 to $10 in the near future. In the case of Iraq, the situation is equally strategic. Financial reforms and behind-the-scenes moves indicate that the country is preparing to enact new measures that could alter its position in the global market, opening the way for exchange rate adjustments and strengthening its currency. There is also a confluence point that could accelerate this entire process: a peace agreement between Russia and Ukraine scheduled for next Friday. If concluded, this agreement would bring geopolitical stability and could serve as a catalyst for the economic adjustments already planned. From now on, movements and the flow of information should become faster and more constant, with high-impact decisions occurring at increasingly shorter intervals. The scenario points to a rare convergence of factors: monetary, technological, and diplomatic, that together have the potential to reshape the global economic balance.